So I love my fabricator friend Nick at Legendary Welding. Let me just in advance tell you, if you do not have a fabricator friend, you need to make a fabricator friend, someone who can weld all types of materials, especially aluminum. I show up with materials and a vision and he just pulls it off. In fact, he actually donated a little bit of material that I didn't have when I got there. A few things changed. He said, that's okay, I've got some extras. So one of the things that I asked for him to weld up for me is this clasp. And I bought this clasp online. I don't remember where I got it, but it has to be aluminum. And I finally found one made of aluminum. You know how it works. It's spring-loaded, very simple, just like this. And it goes behind the wall here and snaps into place. Very simple, just like that. He did that on both sides to keep both doors closed. And then I asked him if he would kindly weld up a new Carlton Caddie. And here she is. Now this is the 2.0 version. So this is nothing more than a cafeteria utensil holder. So, you know, spoons, knives, forks, etc. Got this at Walmart, walmart.com. Type in, you know what, I'll just put a link in the description. And so I'm gonna have Red Raider, hydrofluoric acid, also known as aluminum brightener, muriatic acid, and then a neutralizer. So I'm really digging this. What he did for me was weld up this little shelf right here, and then I was able to attach it on the back side with these bolts. This is stainless steel. It's not terribly heavy, but just sturdy enough, and I absolutely love it. Let's go to the other side. And then on this side, he created for me a sign holder. So the way this works, very simply, as you can see, these holes right here. So my sign goes into the holes like this, and then just slides down to the slot. I think I can get probably, I don't know, 8 or 10, something like that in there. And again, it shuts the same way, just like that. And then the ladder rack, I still have to bolt this to the truck, but it's ready to go, and I absolutely love it. This guy is a welder of welders. Look at this, nice and clean, all the way around, all the sides, everything you can imagine. I mean, he just really did it up right, more than what I had expected. I told him what I wanted, and this is what he came up with. So I purchased all of this in advance from Alro Metal Outlet in Cincinnati, and they know me well, I know them well. They give me a good deal on product, and I promote them as much as I can. And then I cannot wait to show you what I'm going to do right here with a ladder system that's going to allow me to access Jazzy through this little opening right here. I will have a 10-gallon-a-minute machine right here that'll take up this entire space right here. And I'll have my 8-gallon-a-minute machine right here. And this is going to be my entrance into the backside of Jazzy. So I'll have a ladder right here, but I can't wait to show you the ladder system. I've got some pieces, parts coming in the mail, maybe even tonight through Amazon, and I'll get that mounted very, very soon. I'll be cutting off these little ends. That's a little bit excessive. It's probably 3 inches excessive. So I'll cut those off, round those over. And then as you can see, it's not leaning correctly because it's not bolted in, but it will be bolted in soon, both here and here. And that's going to be very, very sturdy. I'll take this same pattern, if you will, and I'll have another one about midway, and that will allow stability in the ladders as they go all the way across. You can imagine that that's going to require some stability for 2 or 3 ladders that's going to go across there. And then lastly, he bent the piece of metal that goes right here. I just haven't attached it yet on both sides. So I've got the Carlton Caddie, I've got the sign holder and the ladder rack all ready to go. And again, the next thing in line will be this ladder system. I'm doing a ladderectomy right here. That's going to be so cool. I'm really excited about that. And then this little middle ladder system. Now, according to my wrap guy, by Wednesday or Thursday of this week, I will have my first proof for the wrap that will extend literally from this side right here all the way around, and of course down the side of Jazzy. And I'm excited about that. So that blue line is going to go right across there. It's going to be cool. So then gray up here with my list of services, my phone number in big bold numbers right there, and then house washing specialist or exterior cleaning specialist right along there. It's going to be great. If you have not already liked and subscribed to my channel, be sure and do that. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell tab. And as always, you and I get to spend a lot of time together. All right, I'm super excited. Jazzy, she's coming along. Mike, the Fresh Rinse, and I'm clocking out.